Fine. Now we shall consider the problem of finding a constant a if it is given that a function is a PDF. Here a constant is involved in the function. It is known that f of x is a PDF. If it is a PDF, what will be the value of a? That has to be determined. Okay. To do so, if it is a PDF, you know, right, what is given? Given that f of x is a PDF. If it is a PDF probability density function, you know that if you integrate over the entire range, see the range of the x in the problem, the lower limit is 0, upper limit is 3. If you integrate from 0 to 3, the answer should be 1. This is what you know since f of x is a PDF. Okay. So integrate from, for integration, when I try to substitute f of x, I observe that, I understand that this range has been divided into 3 different intervals. So I should also divide integral 0 to 1 f of x dx plus integral 1 to 2 f of x dx plus integral 2 to 3 f of x dx, which implies integral 0 to 1 ax dx plus integral 1 to 2 a dx plus integral 2 to 3 minus ax plus 3a dx. If you do this, you should get 1 because it is given that f of x is a PDF. So x on integration gives x square by 2. Dx on integration gives x minus a x on integration gives x square by 2. 3a dx on integration, 3a is the constant, dx gives x. Limit is from 2 to 3. Okay, which implies, this is an equation. So this implies a by 2, upper limit 1, square is 1, 0 square is 0. Upper limit for x2 minus lower limit is 1. Minus a by 2, upper limit for x is x square, 3 square 9, 2 square 4. Upper limit for x is 3 and lower limit for x is 2. So you have a by 2 plus 2 minus 1 is 1, a, minus 9 minus 4 is 5a by 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, 3a equal to 1. Let us take a outside. So you have 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 5 by 2 plus 3 equal to 1. Fine. A 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2, 3 plus 1 is 4 equal to 1. So you have a, take 2 as the LCM, 4 times of 2 is 8 is equal to 1. 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 2 is equal to 1. So a into 2 by 1 is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 by 2. So you have found the value of a. You can also summarize like this. F of x is equal to, put a in the formula. See, ax, that is x by 2 in the range 0 to 1, and a, that is 1 by 2 in the range 1 to 2, and minus x by 2 plus 3 by 2. I am substituting 1 by 2 for a in the range 2 to 3 and 0 otherwise. Yes? Okay. So this is how you compute a constant when it is known that a given function is a PDF. See, this is the next problem I am considering. Here it is given that the function is a PDF. If f of x is a PDF, find the value of a. Capital A has to be computed. Okay. Now what is given? Given that f of x is a probability density function. So you understand that when you integrate f of x from the entire range of the problem, which is 0 to 10, you will get 1. But for integrating, you should divide the interval as given by the given in the problem. So I am dividing it as integral 0 to 5 and plus integral 5 to 10. From 0 to 5 it is ax. From 5 to 10 it is a into 10 minus x. Fine. So if I integrate a is a constant, x on integration gives x square by 2, plus a is a constant, the brackets are very important here. 10 on integration gives 10x, and for x the range is from 5 to 10. X on integration is x square by 2, and for x the range is 5 square 25 minus 0. Upper limit 10 minus lower limit 5. Upper limit 10 square 100, lower limit 5 square 25. So you get 25a by 2 plus a into 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 into 10 is 50, 100 minus 25 is 75 by 2 is equal to 1. Let us take a outside. So you have 25 by 2 plus 50 minus 75 by 2 is equal to 1. A into 50, 50 minus 75 is minus 50 by 2 is equal to 1. So a into 100 minus 50 by 2 is equal to 1, which implies a is equal to 50 by 2. That is 25a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 by 25. Okay. So you can also summarize based on your result. You can say f of x is ax. What is a here? 1 by 25. So x by 25. I am substituting here. In the range 0 less than x less than or equal to 5, and 10 minus x by 25. In the range 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10, 0 otherwise. This is how you summarize. Okay. So using this information, that when f of x is integrated over the full range, you get 1. That is how you compute a constant in a given PDF. Okay. Thank you.